Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks and preview for campaign 13 of 2019. And this campaign, we've got a great focus on having a self-care moment and taking good care of your skin. So we've highlighted at the beginning of the brochure, this campaign, all of our basic Anew regimens. And so I'm just going to do kind of a quick look at those and give you in general, what each line is targeted for. So which line you might be interested in, depending on, what signs of aging you're seeing and what you want to change about your skin. But the great deal that we have on all of these is all 5 of our basic skincare regimens have a special offer where if you buy any 2 products from that line, you get the coordinating eye care product for free. So it's a great opportunity to get a whole new regimen if you're looking to make a change in your skincare. So the first one I wanted to share was our Anew Vital. This is our line for very minimal signs of aging, and it's really for kind of if your skin is starting to appear a bit dull or tired, kind of that look that gets everybody asking you if you've been sleeping well. So this is a line that's going to help minimize the appearance of pores and refine the look of the skin a bit to give it a little bit more radiant glow to the skin, so you'll look a little bit more awake. Next up, we have our Reversalist line, and this is, they say here, see no lines, and this is for fine lines and wrinkles. When you're starting to see the lines and wrinkles in the skin, then the Reversalist line is where you want to go, and it's going to help help your skin appear more line free. Our Platinum line, this is for some of the most advanced signs of aging. This is when your skin is starting to lose, it's not bouncing back the same. It's starting to lose some of that firmness. You start to get a little bit of sagging along the jawline and under the neck. And your skin starts to become almost kind of fragile. It gets that kind of crepe-like texture. That's when you want to go with the Anew Platinum. And I will tell you one thing that a lot of people have noticed with the Anew Platinum is sometimes I'll get folks that they're like, okay, yeah, just give me the strongest thing you've got, and they go straight to the Platinum line. But if their skin is really not at this point where you're really losing firmness and really needing that extra boost, the Platinum can actually be a little bit too much. It can be a little too heavy or a little too rich on the skin. So but if you've really got that, if you're losing that firmness and the skin is starting to get a little fragile and you want something that gives it a more sculpted look, then this is where you're going to want to go. We have our Hydrofusion line. This is, of course, for thirsty skin. The Hydrofusion line is based on just really super increasing the moisture level of your skin. It's a power-packed combo. It's got the hyaluronic acid, which just holds in moisture into the scalp cells, and then it has a like a super antioxidant, a raspberry antioxidant complex in it. And so we have a full line of products with those 2 components to really help with dry skin. I know a lot of folks here in the desert Southwest are really, really loving the Hydrofusion line just because our air is so dry year round. You've either got the really dry heat in the summer, or you've got, the little bit of humidity we get in the winter is just, totally done away with by the artificial heat in the buildings. So very good if you live in a dry climate or just naturally have very dry skin. And then the last line that we have, this is our Anew Ultimate line. This is kind of our powerhouse flagship skincare line, our Anew Ultimate. And it's a little bit more extensive line for a basic regimen. It includes our Dual Elixir and our Ultimate Supreme Performance Creme that really are fantastic for any level of aging in the skin. And the great thing about the Anew Ultimate line is if you listened to those other 4 lines, the Vital, the Reversalist, the Platinum, and the Hydrofusion, and you thought, well, I've really got, I've got the visible pores, but my skin's also really dry, or I'm starting to lose some firmness along the jawline, but I've got lines and wrinkles too. This is where you want to go. This is our multitasker. This is does it all, covers all multiple signs of aging. So I will say this is probably my best selling skincare line, followed by the Hydrofusion. Mostly, like I said, just because it's a little bit more extensive of a line, and it really does address all the different multiple signs of aging. So that's kind of our basic skincare lines. I will be looking at maybe doing some more 60-second spotlights, going a little bit more in detail about individual products in the line, in those skincare lines. But that's, again, a great deal with if you buy any 2 Vital products, you get the eye gel cream for free. If you buy any 2 Ultimate products, you get the dual component eye system for that one. So just a great deal and a great opportunity to try out a new regimen if you're thinking of making a change in your skincare. And absolutely, if you have any questions at all about which products you should be using, reach out. My contact information is in the link on the description, or basically you can go to thoughtsonbeauty.com, click contact me, and you can reach me, text, email, social media, whatever is your favorite way of reaching out, and I'd be happy to help you pick out the right products for your skin. I also have, now that you're going to get a new skincare regimen, have even more beautiful skin than you already have, we have some new jewelry lines in this campaign that I wanted to share. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, that normally I will pick a single product from a jewelry collection, just to give you an idea what the collection looks like. We had 2 absolutely gorgeous collections that I couldn't pass up, and so I bought the whole collection. So first up, we have the Dusted in Glamour collection, and this one is great because it comes in Goldtone and in Silvertone, so you can pick whichever color moves you more. This is the beautiful statement necklace, and I love the way this lays. It's all these different, it's like you just threw a bunch of rings down, and they really do. They lay beautifully. So that's the necklace in that set. But then I also had to get the earrings because I loved the way the earrings look. You've almost got, they're not quite, the smaller rings and the bottom rings are not quite perpendicular to each other. But they are just offset enough, and the rings are loose enough that just look at all that movement in those, which is, kind of the fun of earrings when you get some movement going in the earrings. And then, of course, what better way to get, some movement and some fun in your bracelets but a nice set of bangles. And I'm going to see how close I can get these so you can see the detail. There's actually 2 different textures. And I've got them alternating, but I'm going to go ahead and separate them out so that you can see the 2 different textures. So you've got 3 of the bracelets in this kind of tightly coiled rope type texture there. Focused for a moment there. We'll see if we can get it to do that again. And then we have a little bit more a rougher texture in these 2, and you can see these ones just really catch the light and get that kind of glittery look to them without being covered in glitter, meaning that all of your clothes and everything you own will be covered in glitter when you wear them. So that's the bangle set in that. So that is the Dusted in Glamour collection. Again, it comes in Silvertone and in Goldtone. And although I normally get Silvertone for myself, I went ahead and got the Goldtone in this because the other collection also comes in Goldtone and Silvertone. So I got the Silvertone in that one. And this is a Filigree collection. And, Filigree styles are super, super popular. And I do admit I forgot to get the ring. I only ordered the bracelet and the necklace and earring set in this one. But this is the necklace and earring set, and these come as a set. The earrings aren't separate in this collection. And the necklace is, let's see the actual measurement on it, is actually 28 inches with a 3.5-inch extender. So very, very long. This is a great option for those folks I know who don't like to have to deal with the clasp. You want to be able to just put it on and go. So you can, it is a long enough chain that you can just put it over your head and not have to do the clasp on that. Obviously, it would make a great layering piece. I actually had not tried this already, so I think I've just discovered a new way to wear my necklaces. So I do. I love these two layered together. This is from Campaign 12, the teardrop with the different layers. But so that's a nice long piece. This is, I've still got the 3.5-inch extender, so I could go even lower if I wanted to do it longer. And then the earrings match with the same, whoops, my magnet on my Fitbit caught the necklace and made me drop everything. But that's how you know this is not staged, and I am not a professional spokesmodel. So again, that's the filigree design in the necklace and the earrings there. It's almost got almost like a little cross in the middle, but it's like even. It's not longer on the bottom like a regular Christian cross would be. And you get the same motif in a round design in the bracelet. So you get that same completely symmetrical design in the bracelet. And it is a stretch bracelet, so you get, you know, the stretch and makes it really easy to put on and off. Again, great for folks who don't want to have to deal with the clasp on bracelets, because that's even harder. That's not even a matter of if your fingers can do the clasp. It's just really hard trying to juggle that on your wrist. So that's the Filigree Collection. That's two of the new jewelry collections available in Campaign 13. And as always, last but not least is our A box for this campaign. So this is our great beauty box deal that you can get for only $10 with any $40 purchase from this campaign. And this one is called Everything I Want. And it is a great sort of just a everyday look, all you need for your makeup. You've got the Love at First Lash mascara. You have the Glimmer Sticks eyeliner in Blackest Black. You've got your True Color, or your Avon Gel Finish 7-in-1 Nail Enamel in Dazzle Pink. That's a great bare kind of ballerina pink sort of color. And then you have your one of the new shades of the True Color Nourishing Lipstick in Sparkling Rose. And that was one of the 3 shades that I couldn't pass up in the new, out of the new shades of the sparkling, or of the nourishing lipstick. So that's the Sparkling Rose. So that's just a great deal. And that's 4 full-size products for only $10 with any $40 purchase. So that's like getting each of those for $2.50 a piece, which is a great deal. That's like more than half off on those. It's actually a $37 value. So that's almost like 75% off. It's about 70% off the full price. So that is Campaign 13 of, I almost said 2017. Wow. So Campaign 13 of 2019 for you. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will see you in a couple of weeks. Bye.